Hi again. Today we're going to talk about the basic system structure. We'll go over the different parts of the system and why each one is important. Let's pick up where we left off last time. Remember our top bar menu? On the left, we spoke about the list of data types, which help us navigate throughout the system. Each of the options here is an object and holds a specific type of data. For example, the accounts object holds all my accounts, while the deals object holds all my deals. By clicking on an object in the menu, we can open all its details. For example, clicking on accounts will open all the accounts in the system. Within the accounts object, we can see all my individual accounts, such as the account Amanda Gray or the account Bluebird Strategies. Let's go back to the menu and click on the deals object to see another example. Here, customization for play ball gaming is one deal my team is working on, while consultation for Denny Davis is another. In this way, we can easily navigate between the different objects in our system. Let's get back to the accounts object. Each row here is an individual account, such as the account Amanda Gray. These rows are called records. In every account record, you'll find the individual data of one account, such as their name, status, and more. We can find records in every object in the system. If we go back to the deals object, the row consultation for Denny Davis is also a record and belongs to the deals object. By clicking on a record, you can open its page and see all its details. For example, if we click on the consultation for Denny Davis record, we'll open its page. Pages are used to display all the information relating to a specific record. Like records, pages are used in all the different objects. For now, we'll look at the page we just opened in the deal object. As you can see, this page is made up of different sections, called components. For example, at the top of this page, we'll see the record header component. Here we can find the name of the object the record belongs to, in this case deal, followed by the name of the specific record, in this case consultation for Denny Davis. Each page can show different components, so that the pages for each object can display the most useful data. For example, if we go back to the accounts object and open Amanda Gray's record, we'll see different components. In this way, the account page is built to help you with accounts, while the deal page is built to help with deals. At the left of the page, we can find the form, which is also a page component. The form shows all the details of each object using fields. In the account page, this form shows the fields in the accounts object. Every field here displays specific data about the current account. For example, by looking at the industry field, we can see that Amanda Gray's account works with agriculture, or we can use the phone field to contact her. The status field lets us know that this account is in the negotiation stage. We can also check the status field by looking at the pipeline component at the top of the page, which gives us a quick visual snapshot of the status. Now that we know where to find Amanda's details, let's check out the right side of the page. Here we'll find a stream, which is another page component. The stream is used to send emails, write internal notes, schedule meetings, and more. It will also let us track and manage all these activities. In Amanda's account, we can see a meeting she has scheduled for tomorrow to finalize her contract, as well as the uploaded contract. By scrolling, we'll see the rest of her activities. In a later lesson, we'll get into detail about all the different string capabilities and how you can use the string to manage your records. We now have a basic understanding of pages and the components found within them. By going back to our list of accounts, we can find a similar page in other accounts, but with different details. For example, Anderson & Anderson is a different account which my company works with. Unlike Amanda, this account works in retail. By looking at Anderson & Anderson's stream, we can see meetings and activities which are relevant to them. I'd like to go over one last thing. What we're looking at right now is called a view. On the left of the screen, we'll find a list of all the different views in the accounts object. As you can see, our current view is the All Accounts view and shows us all the account records. Views can help us look at only the specific records which we are interested in. For example, let's say that instead of looking at all of my accounts, I'd rather look at just my lead accounts. To do so, I can click on the lead view. Now I'm looking at a list of only my lead accounts. By using different views, we can make sure to only look at the relevant data. In my system, my account views split up my accounts by status, because that's how my company progresses accounts. You can choose to create views to show whichever records you'd like. Later on, we'll go into detail about everything you can do with views and how to use them to work as efficiently as possible. For now, that's all. I hope you enjoyed.